Again, everyone, it's Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. Enjoying this summer weather here that's come upon us, drinking your water, stay hydrated. But June brings Dairy Month, so in Victory Ford, if you want to cool off, come out for a test drive. We'll set you up with a half-gallon of ice cream, limit one per family. But we just want to show our support to our local dairy producers out there through the crisis and such. And then we've got all kinds of deals going on. Ford still has the lend-a-hand financing program. That has some options. We have 0% for 72-month options. There's other flex buy options with 0% for 66 months on vehicles like Explorer, Edge, and such. And we just got a lot of good stuff going on. We are open for business. We're keeping our facility clean. We're cleaning the door handles and work surfaces and such to protect our valued customers and our employees too. So once again, Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409. And I almost forgot, look, coming up very soon, a little different video format from Victory Ford. Look forward to our Fordcast coming up. Be kind of a live format, probably around noon. I think our first one will be tomorrow, but keep an eye out for that. It's going to be kind of all topics, kind of the Good News Network as it was, Good News headquarters here at Victory Ford. So once again, Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. We'll see you soon. Bye.